Hello everyone, myself Yashraj of class 12C from Kendriya Vidyalaya Aliganj, Lucknow. I am here to present my views about online classes going on during this pandemic period. As per my opinion, online classes are the best way to continue our studies during this adverse situation where classroom study isn't possible. Here we can discuss our doubts, topics, share our assignment with our teachers. Apart from this, we have a facility of virtual demonstration which makes the concept quite clear. But like everything, these online classes also have some positive as well as negative aspects. For example, we face a regular health issues like strain in eyes, pain in cervical region, nervous system problems, and many more. Also, we have to face regular internet issue and certain technical difficulties which makes these online classes very discontinuous and makes studies very disappointing. So at last, as a conclusion, I would like to request to please not take online classes more than 3 hours a day, and please provide a break of at least 15 minutes after every class. Thank you and have a nice day.
प्रभात। तो आज मैं मोहम्मद सुहेल कक्षा 8वीं का छात्र आप सभी लोगों के सामने केंद्रीय विद्यालय में चलने वाली ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के बारे में कुछ बताने वाला हूं। तो जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि इस कोविड-19 के चलते हमारी स्कूल में क्लासेस नहीं हो पा रही थी और हमारा सिलेबस छूटता जा रहा था, लेकिन फिर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का निर्णय लिया गया जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा था, क्योंकि वो हमें एक तरीके से डिजिटल हमें सिखाने में मदद कर रहा था और किस तरीके से हम डिजिटली सीख सकते हैं, और हमें एक सीखने का भी अवसर मिला कि हम मोबाइल में कैसे क्लासेस कर सकते हैं, किस तरीके से पेपर दे सकते हैं। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हमें सीखने को मिली और टीचर्स हमारे एक एक डाउट को क्लियर करके हमें अच्छी तरीके से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में पढ़ा रहे हैं और हम भी उनका पूरा सहयोग दे रहे हैं। और टीचर्स हमें कई सारी एक्टिविटीज़ भी करने के लिए देते हैं जो कि हम पूरी तरीके से पूरा करते हैं। तो इसी तरीके से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हमारी बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से चल रही हैं और हमें सीखने का मौका मिल रहा है। तो इसी तरीके से हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लास चलती रहे, मुझे कोई परेशानी नहीं है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से। धन्यवाद।
Everybody, I am Ramya, a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya Aliganj, Lucknow. The efforts made by the schools and teachers so that the pandemic does not hamper our education is truly remarkable. These online classes are proven to be a boon to all the students who are able to attend the classes comfortably from their homes. The subjects are taught in a very creative and interesting way, which made the learning process easy. Also, we are getting utmost cooperation from our teachers in the form of doubt clearance, regular arrangement of PTMs, and conduction of tests. The only demerit being that there are some students who are not able to attend the classes due to lack of resources, which should be taken care of. Thank you. Everybody, I am Ramya, a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya Aliganj, Lucknow. The efforts made by the schools and teachers so that the pandemic does not hamper our education is truly remarkable. These online classes are proven to be a boon to all the students who are able to attend the classes comfortably from their homes. The subjects are taught in a very creative and interesting way, which made the learning process easy. Also, we are getting utmost cooperation from our teachers in the form of doubt clearance, regular arrangement of PTMs, and conduction of tests. The only demerit being that there are some students who are not able to attend the classes due to lack of resources, which should be taken care of. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Jyotsna of class 12C, a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya Aliganj. I am here to discuss some advantages and disadvantages of online study and programs run by our government. There are several advantages, like we can't even imagine that we can learn at our home without going to school. It's all possible because of the courage of our teachers and authority. The day was when we are the door of education, but now all because of our teachers and authority, the education is at our door. But every coin has two faces. Like some disadvantages in our online studies, like increased screen time we are not used to using a mobile phone for 5 to 6 hours in a day, but we are using it, which can cause eye strain and several problems related to our body and sense organs. And there are some problems with network and connectivity, which is very problematic. But yet we are learning in this pandemic situations, and government are running such beautiful programs for us, like Fit India Movement, which is for our fitness. Like we can be fit at our home, like we can have a walk and jogging, anything like that, which can keep us fit. But Fit India movements are also not possible to students who are in red zone or living in colonies, because they have an interaction or going out or going on terrace. But we are very thankful to our teachers and authority for teaching us in such a beautiful manner in this pandemic condition. Thank you to them.
I am Subhashmita Sahu, studying in 12th standard in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Aliganj, Lucknow. Online education is very new for us, so definitely we have to face a lot of problems like connectivity issues, eye-related problem, and even sometimes ear-related problem due to excess use of earphones or headphones. It is harder to understand concepts online. Sometimes the video gets paused due to server issues, and by the time they resume, one has to miss out its class. Online education may create sense of isolation, but our teachers are continuously working to make online classes more interesting and more creative. Every day we are getting new activities to do at home, more opportunities to attend live free webinars which improve and develops our skills. We are doing our practicals with the help of OLabs and virtual labs. Our teachers are regularly motivating us, and even our government has made many learning apps like Diksha, which provide us free study materials. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं रितिमा पांडे केंद्रीय विद्यालय अलीगंज कक्षा 7 बा की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि इस वक्त कोरोना वायरस के कारण हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही हैं, जिससे कि लॉकडाउन के कारण हमारी पढ़ाई पर इसका विपरीत असर ना पड़े। इसी के साथ ही हम बच्चों को ऑनलाइन क्लास में मज़ा आने लगा है। हमें टीचर्स द्वारा प्रोजेक्ट भी दिए जा रहे हैं, साथ ही हमें रचनात्मक कार्यों से भी जोड़ा जा रहा है। ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हमारे लिए फ़ायदेमंद साबित हो रही हैं। आइए जानते हैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से होने वाले फ़ायदे के बारे में। इससे हमें एकांत में आराम से पढ़ सकते हैं। जब हमारा मूड हो, जब हमारा मन करे, तब आप क्लास को डाउनलोड करके देख सकते हैं। हम पूरे समय अपने माता पिता के सामने रहते हैं व सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से भी यह फ़ायदेमंद साबित हो रहा है। हम बच्चों को पढ़ाई में कहाँ समस्या आती है, यह बात भी माता पिता को पता चल रही है। अतः हमारी दृष्टि में ऑनलाइन क्लास की माध्यम से पढ़ाई करना बहुत अच्छा है। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं फ़ायदे के बारे में। बच्चों को कोचिंग नहीं जाना पड़ता है। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से बच्चों को थकान नहीं हो रही है, वह घर पर ही बच्चे पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं।